Everyday business vocabulary. Even if you're not business savvy, knowing the most common words and phrases used in everyday business interactions is a must. You'll need them when introducing yourself to a new client or while talking with your co-workers at the office. Here's a list of everyday business vocabulary. ASAP, as soon as possible. To do something ASAP means to do it fast, with urgency. I need to submit the report ASAP so we can review it before the meeting tomorrow. Back burner. To put something on the back burner means to set aside tasks or projects for a while. We've put this project on the back burner for now. Balls in the air. If you have multiple tasks or responsibilities to handle at the same time, you have many balls in the air. With the upcoming deadline and client meetings, I have a lot of balls in the air right now. Too much on my plate. When you feel overwhelmed or have too many tasks or responsibilities, you have too much on your plate. I can't take on any more projects at the moment, I already have too much on my plate. Bandwidth. Bandwidth is a person's capacity or availability to take on additional tasks or projects. I'd love to help, but I don't have the bandwidth right now. Boil the ocean. If we boil the ocean, we just took on an overly ambitious task that's unlikely to succeed. Let's focus on smaller goals instead of trying to boil the ocean with this project. Brain dump. In other words, putting lots of ideas on paper. I did a quick brain dump and came up with an awesome idea. Deliverables. These are the tangible results or outputs that are expected from a project or task. What are our deliverables for this month? Game changer. A game changer means something that has the potential to impact or transform a situation significantly. This new organization tool I'm using is a game changer for me. Good to go. When something is good to go, it's ready. The proposal I've been working on is good to go for today's presentation. Herding cats. It's just a weird way to say you're trying to manage people or tasks that are difficult to manage. Coordinating the different departments' schedules for this project feels like herding cats. Run up the flagpole. Running something up the flagpole means presenting an idea, proposal, or plan to gather feedback. I haven't finished the project yet, because I still need to run it up the flagpole. Throw under the bus. It means to unfairly blame or sacrifice someone for your own benefit or to avoid responsibility. John tried to throw me under the bus by blaming me for the mistake during the presentation. Micromanage. It's the practice of excessive or unnecessary control over small details of tasks or projects. I'm so annoyed with Susan. She micromanages everything I do. Let go. These are probably the two scariest words in the office. When someone has been let go, they were fired. Have you heard? Jack was let go yesterday. Workflow. Workflow refers to the sequence of steps or tasks involved in completing a specific process or project. The workflow for this project is insane. I don't know how I'll finish it on time. Keep me in the loop. When you ask someone to keep you in the loop, you ask them to keep you informed and included in the conversation. Keep me in the loop. I want to know what's going on between John and Susan. Hope this video was useful. Follow us for more such videos. Thank you.